Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you've watched videos on this channel before, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, I welcome you. I just arrived at the Eurotunnel. I'm off to the Nurburgring. The quest for a sub 8-minute bridge to gantry lap time begins today. The weather is not great. The weather was supposed to be good, but there's been a bit of rain as we approached the Kent coast. Anywho, it should be fun. I'm waiting for my friend in his arriving. He's supposed to be arriving in his 992 GT3 Mantai Racing car. So anyway, see you in a bit. Morning. Morning.
Very much.
It's a track car.
Oh, was that you drive around the track?
Yeah, I'm going to the Nurburgring.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's this Lord thing? Is this a church?
Everybody asks me about that. That's just my nickname, Lord Kinzo. It's just my nickname. And that's my and that's my Instagram handle. Yeah.
So you're going to go and do your race around?
Yeah, I'm just going to be driving around the track. Yeah. No.
I hope you win.
Cheers. It's not a race.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye. Looks like we're going straight on. I'm now on the train. It was pretty painless getting here. And as soon as I arrived, they just put me on the train. I went straight to the train without messing about. So that was quite fun. As you know, the crossing takes 35-38 minutes. And I'll be in France in a short while. And ahead of me is what, 500 kilometers, something like that. To Adenau, where I'm staying. I'm staying in the hills above Adenau, which is 10-15 minute drive from Nurburgring. And I haven't been to the ring in like 2 years. I'm taking the BMW E46 M3 track car, and as I probably mentioned in a previous video, I bought this car just to do tourist days at the ring, and so far I haven't done this car justice. I haven't been to the ring in 2 years. I've only done 25 laps since I got this car, since I bought this car from Jeff Steele himself. And by now I should have been part of that elite group that have dipped under the 8-minute mark. But hopefully I'll get there one day. So yeah, so going back to the ring to try and continue my progress and lap time in this car at that legendary circuit. Good afternoon. I'm not sure if you can hear me. The car is so loud. I even brought along a pair of headphones. And that's the downside of traveling with a track car. I have no radio. I have no AC. Not much sound deadening. So if I'm shouting, it's because of the noise. The good thing though about the car is I bought a tank of fuel in Ealing, West London this morning. I'm now driving through past Brussels. I have 170 miles to go and I still have nearly half tank. I think it's because I left the 6th gear in when the car was being built. I could have removed the 6th gear to save weight, but I left it in as a kind of like overdrive. So it's been fun and smooth. Just a quick progress update. Uh, According to Waze, I have exactly 137 miles to cover before I get to Adenau. That should take me about 2 hours. The problem really with what's it called, with driving long distances in this car. I don't know. I tried to explain to you in the car earlier. Is the fact that it has no sound deadening, has no radio, no AC, so it's really loud. So trying to talk on camera in that car is a bit difficult. I even had what's it called? I even normally for long journeys I pack a pair of noise cancelling headphones. Seriously. So as I said, I've just stopped for a break. Found nice, relaxing spot. Get some sushi, coffee, Costa coffee. So I'll just take a break before completing the final stage or final leg of my journey to Adenau and to the Nurburgring. So yeah, it's been fun so far. Chilled, relaxing. Another thing about that car I was trying to explain on camera earlier is that as we speak, I filled up a full tank in West London, and I got to this petrol station 137 miles away from my destination with just under half a tank. Amazing, isn't it? I'm sure I could have risked it and gone all the way, but I wanted to stop, let the car cool down, give car and driver a break before proceeding. All right, see you soon. I'm about 90 miles from my destination. I don't know if you can hear me above the roar of the engine and the exhaust. But as I was driving, a question came into my head, and it's a question I ask myself every time I drive into Europe. Why are the roads here so much better? Why are the roads in Europe so much better than we have in the United Kingdom? Why? If you have the fuel, you could come out of Calais and drive through France, Belgium, and into Germany without stopping once. The only stop I've had to make today was because of fuel, no traffic, no stop-start traffic. It's just, and you can cover a lot more distance in the same time than you do in the UK. It takes me from West London, it takes me about 2 hours on a good day to cover 70, 80 miles to somewhere like Bedford. In those 2 hours, I've driven through how many countries in Europe? It's amazing. Wow. What a gorgeous place. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. They're just flat lands, lowlands. Bathed in the evening sunset. The sun is setting and it's casting a spectacular glow on the plain. What a glorious evening. What a glorious evening. Check out those plains to my right. Green fields, bathed in the evening sunlight. Wonderful. 30 minutes to destination. Lovely. It's been a pleasant drive. I was under pressure because it's a Sunday drive. There's not much traffic. Went straight onto the train, and The other side, it's just been weather was much better in France. It's much better in France and the continent than it is back in England. It's now saying 14 degrees, but it went as high as 18 degrees at some point. Yeah, I mean t-shirts, epic. And now look at that countryside, gobsmacking. This is the life. I stopped to get some sunset shots. Ooh. I remember this place. Oh yeah. It's a lovely, lovely road. We are heading now, and the hotel is in the hills above Adinau. So it's a bit of a climb up. And it is a land house soon enough. It's at the end of this road. The views are spectacular. Check out those views. It's been a pleasant day, a stressless day. The question for tonight is, if you come to the Nurburgring and you don't take a picture or video at this spot, did you really get to the Nurburgring? Did it really happen? If you don't take a picture here or a video here, you didn't come to the Nürburgring. One piece, thank God. What's the time now? It's it's coming to 9 o'clock. What else do we have planned for today? The only thing we have planned for today is Pistonklause. That's Sabine Schmidt's restaurant. I'm going to have dinner there at try to get Michael Schumacher's table. Hey, it's a rite of passage. It's a tradition. When you come here, take a picture at this spot, 100%, or else it didn't happen, and you have dinner at Pistonklause. Anyway, I'll see you over there. I hope you can hear that sizzle. This is one reason you come to Pistonklause. You cook your own meat, cook your own food. The steaks are to die for, and you can have steak on a hot stone and cook it to your own taste. I don't drink beer, but this is the only place I drink a beer-like drink. That's shandy. It's a bit quiet. It's quiet tonight. It's a Sunday night, so very quiet. I like it. One of the I love this restaurant, Pistonklause, because of its history, and it's connected to the and its connection to the Nurburgring. Um, Michael Schumacher himself had a table, had a regular table here, and it was known as the Schumacher table, and we've often requested that table. Can you hear the sizzle? The lovely sizzle. Yeah, and this restaurant was, I think, it was run by Sabine Schmidt, the famous Nurburgring driver, the female driver, a lovely woman who appeared on Top Gear. Sadly, she passed away a few years ago. Um, this establishment, I think, belonged to her and her family. I think I need to check that information properly. But her connections to this place and to the Nurburgring are, her connection is undeniable. And yeah, rest in peace, Sabine. Very nice. How do you have your steak? I have my steak medium well. No raw for me, no rare for me. See you in the morning.